Okay, good morning again everyone. Today I'm going to do a little recipe for you. So today I'm making a frittata, a baked frittata for my breakfast or for your lunch, but I'm having it for breakfast this morning. So pretty simple. First of all, we need a ramekin, which I'm going to spray with oil. Make sure it's nicely coated. Pop that back over there. And then we're going to do 3 eggs into our bowl. So I've got my eggs over here. 1, 2, and the last one coming up. Beautiful. We're going to whisk those up. So I'm just going to get a fork. Whisk those up nicely. Beautiful. Into that, I already have here chopped up some spring onion. I also have a tomato chopped up to add in here. Some spinach. Now I'm using frozen spinach because I haven't got any fresh. Obviously, run out of some fresh stuff already. So this is just 2 balls of frozen spinach. This is pretty much what it is. If you don't have that in your freezer, you should. Really handy to throw into stews, soups, anything really that you want to throw baby spinach in but you don't have fresh or it's not available. So I'm just going to throw that in. That's that. And last but not least, some cheese. Perfect. Stir that around. I chopped up the frozen balls of spinach after I defrosted them. I also gave them a good squeeze to get rid of any excess fluid. The one thing I've just realised I did forget to get out ready was my salt and pepper. So bear with me while I walk away and get those. Here we are. So nice little grind of pepper in there. Nice. And the same of salt. Give it a mix. We're going to pour it into my ramekin. My oven is already on. I did forget to tell you that. Here we are. I'm just going to kind of squish it around a bit and make sure it's all evenly distributed. And that's it. I'm just going to throw it in my oven, which is preheated to about 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or until it's set, so just kind of keep an eye on it. Maybe set your oven timer for 10 minutes and then see what it looks like and decide whether you need to cook it for a bit longer or not. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple, breakfast or lunch. You could add whatever you like. You could put capsicum in there, you could put bacon in there, mushrooms, whatever you've got on hand. So yeah, feel free to use it. I will post the full recipe above, but it is pretty straightforward. Enjoy, and you did see the photo of the finished product yesterday, so have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon.